Today, I'm thrilled to have you here as we explore the heart-pounding world of Fortnite, where victory isn't just a goal, it's a way of life. We're embarking on an epic journey, a journey that will take us through the top 5 Fortnite XP maps that are changing the game forever. If you're as excited as I am to unlock new levels of greatness, remember to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the action. Are you ready?
Yes!
Let's start!
Segment 1, Bamboo Pit FFA, where XP dreams come true. Our quest begins with the legendary Bamboo Pit FFA map, an XP wonderland that's making waves across the Fortnite community.
Don't forget to jot down the code 7450-2662-5931. It's your passport to XP greatness. As you step into the game, you're greeted by a collection of weapons, but this isn't just any battlefield. It's an XP paradise. Turn around, and you'll uncover a treasure trove of secrets, hidden rifts, concealed buttons, and puzzles that will challenge even the most seasoned gamers. But with each challenge overcome, the rewards pour in like a waterfall of XP glory. It's not just about leveling up, it's about mastering the art of progression, and this map is your canvas.
Segment 2, Death Run, where patience meets XP rewards. Up next, we have the Death Run map, a true test of patience, strategy, and the pursuit of XP. Remember the code 7450-2662-5931 as you step into a realm where challenges unfold like chapters of a thrilling novel. Inside a crumbling house lies a hidden button, and as you engage with it, you're transported to a secret chamber. But hold on, there's a twist. A timer counts down, rewarding your patience as it reaches its climax. And when that timer finally hits 0, you're granted a surge of XP that's as satisfying as a victory royale.
1v1 Legend Wars, unleash your XP potential. Let's venture into the realm of 1v1 Legend Wars, where combat and XP intertwine to create an unparalleled gaming experience.
Remember the code 3919-7478-7217, your key to unlocking a world of hidden treasures. As you start the map, an XP button beckons you forward. Enter the combat zone, locate the elusive skin change booth, and discover holograms that open doors to new realms of XP rewards. It's more than a battle, it's a journey into the heart of XP supremacy. So gear up, embrace the challenge, and conquer the XP battlefield like a true legend.
Segment 4, World Cup, XP dreams become reality. Imagine standing on the grand stage as a Fortnite World Cup champion. Now imagine achieving that dream with the World Cup map. Remember the code 6351-2535-5825, because this map is where XP champions are born. A support a creator button awaits your click, but the adventure has only just begun. Journey through hidden achievements, uncover concealed buttons, and navigate through exciting challenges. And let's not forget those strategically placed crash pads, your ticket to XP ascendancy. Strap in, because the path to victory has never been this exhilarating.
Segment 5, Winter 1v1 Build Fight, uncover the XP secrets. Our final stop takes us to the Winter 1v1 Build Fight map, where secrets and XP rewards await around every corner.
Enter the code 6021-2757-1039 and prepare to dive into a world of hidden treasures. As a 3-second timer elapses, your adventure begins. Spot a present, construct your way to hidden buttons, and unlock secret doors that lead to XP-rich zones. This map is more than a playground. It's an XP paradise where challenges become stepping stones to greatness.
The power of XP mastery. You've just witnessed the unveiling of 5 extraordinary Fortnite XP maps that are transforming the way we level up. These maps aren't just virtual worlds, they're gateways to XP mastery, offering challenges that push our limits and rewards that fuel our gaming passions.
But before we conclude, I have an exciting announcement. Moonpreneur is on a mission to ignite the flames of entrepreneurship through their futuristic STEM programs. From robotics to game development, they're shaping the leaders of tomorrow. And guess what? They're offering a free 60-minute robotics and coding workshop. So don't miss out. Check out the link in the description to secure your spot and embark on an educational adventure like no other.
That's all for today, gamers. If you enjoyed this epic journey through the world of Fortnite XP maps, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe for more thrilling content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep conquering the XP challenges, keep chasing those rewards, and remember, the path to greatness is paved with XP adventures.